Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I am a full-time content creator going on 5 years now with a background in interior design, and I've been living in Pittsburgh going on 2+ years now with my fiance and our Labradoodle Indio. We are originally from the Pacific Northwest and we've been moving around quite a bit the past 5 years or so. We have lived in Nashville as well and also Portland, Oregon. So if you guys are new to my channel, I cover a lot of content in the categories of home, travel, thrift, DIY, fashion, and more. I've been doing a lot of styling videos here on my channel lately, but today we're going to switch things up and actually do a little bit of decorating. We're going to do a decorate with me in my living room as I do a living room decor update. So basically I'm going to be doing some rearranging and changing like the layout of the living room in general. I'm moving around some prints and stuff like that. So kind of like apartment updates, but mainly a living room update. I've been thinking about doing this video for a while now and I really wanted to get it done before I did my fall decorating, which I'm planning on doing next week. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and that you have your notifications turned on so that you be notified whenever I have a new video. I upload 2 vlogs a week, Friday and Sunday, with shorts in between. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is what the living room currently looks like. Our console basically has to stay on this wall because that's the only place where the cable hookup is right for that. So what I'm thinking about doing is switching the couch with the armchairs and then basically rearranging the armchairs however they will work in this area where the couch currently is. And I'll be rotating this rug and moving a few of the other pieces around. So I'm gonna switch it up really quickly, might take some moving around, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. This gallery wall will also be going away. I'll be finding new homes for all of these prints all around the apartment, and then what I'm gonna do instead is a really cool accent basket wall. So we'll see what that ends up looking like. I've been thinking about this for a couple of months now, really, kind of like doing this arrangement in my head. So I'm hoping that it'll look as good as I have been picturing in my head, so we'll see. Okay, so here is what the living room is looking like now. I've got the 2 armchairs side by side on this longest wall in our living room, and then basically just scooch the couch backwards towards the window and rearrange some of my little side tables. Now I'm going to put up my wicker basket wall, and I have the prints to find new homes for, and then everything over here stayed the same. Did switch the rug around. So here's a look this way. And I think the wicker basket wall is gonna look really pretty. And then I moved the smaller rug that was in between the 2 armchairs over to my little office area to act as like a little area rug there. Here's Indio trying to see what mom is up to. So I have all of my prints here. I'm going to be switching this tapestry over to the bedroom where the basket wall is now, and then all of those baskets will be used for the basket wall in the living room. And then I just need to find homes for these sets of prints. Some of them will go probably in my bookcases or on top of like dressers, other kind of counters, and then the bigger ones I'll find new homes for. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. Sorry about the crazy lighting. I may also end up using these baskets here just off of the dining room and hanging up some prints there. I'm not totally sure, or I might put my big wicker fan that I thrifted recently there. So I'm just gonna try out a few of those options and see what I like best. Indio is barking at something suspicious that he hears. So there are actually so many spots in our apartment where these different prints could go, especially the like sets of prints. They're really great for like statement walls and stuff like that. So I may end up playing around and moving them around a little bit more here and there. But I just wanted to give you guys a good idea of where I'm going to be styling them for now. And I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so here is what that looks like now. think that looks super cute actually. I may end up hanging it just a tad higher later. And then here are the baskets that I'm going to be hanging up in the living room. So I'm gonna do that next and also hang up my prints. Okay, so I just hung up the 2 sepia tone prints that were in the living room. In our bedroom, here's another look at the tapestry. That is where the baskets used to be. And then over where the prints are, I basically had this wood rack with all my boho purses, which I still need to find a new spot for, but I think this looks super cute and very like chic and minimal. And I love the tones that they add to the bedroom. Okay, so over here in the dining room, just off of the table, I ended up hanging up that wicker palm fan. It is not quite the right scale for that wall, but I needed to use those baskets for the basket wall in the living room. So that is where it's going to go just for now until I find a better spot for it. I hung up this set of prints here in the hall where the tapestry used to be, and then the green monstera prints are over there in that corner. I also placed one of the prints over here on top of this backup storage for all of like my kitchen decor stuff, so that'll probably just go there for now as well. Okay, so it got really dark all of a sudden, but here are the monstera prints. I just hung them one on top of the other. They're not quite centered on this wall, so I'm probably gonna have to move those slightly to center them a little bit more. So just for now, that's what that looks like. And then the living room, I think looks so good now with the basket wall that I just finished hanging up. This wall here in our living room is so long, and it's just like kind of a super awkward wall to style. So before, when I had like all the prints there as a gallery wall, I really did like that, but I thought it would just make like a really cool statement to use with wicker, and then also gives like a natural feel as well. So here is what the basket wall looks like for now. I kind of wanted it to just wave all across the wall, so I may end up adding more baskets to it here and there and rearranging it slightly, but I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so here is a look from this angle. We've got the nice basket wall wave going. So those armchairs were against the window. They are now side by side on that wall. The couch is now scooched all the way back towards the window. And my end tables have been swapped around as well. I also filled in some plants over in the back right-hand corner to fill that in a little bit more. Got my bookcases there. So now we have like all of this open space here in the living room, where this used to be broken up between the living room, like couch seating area, and then my little reading nook area, which is kind of what I call the armchairs when they are back by the window. So now the area is much more opened up, and we've got the little desk area over there, which looks even more like designated on its own with that little area rug there to kind of help separate that space from the living room. And here comes Indio. He wants lunch and wants to go potty. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked the way that my living room looked before, or if you like the way that it looks now after I did some rearranging. So like I said, I'm probably going to be doing a fall decorating vlog soon, and I have some other ideas as well. But let me know if you guys have any video requests for me. Don't forget to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling, and check out my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more content like this. And also be sure to share my channel with somebody that you think would enjoy this content as well. That way you guys can also help me grow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!